Hello everyone, I'm Brian Dotson, Sales Representative at Milgard Windows and Doors. We are so excited to show you how to properly install our latest and greatest product, the AX550 moving glass walls. These sliding walls provide an elegant transition between interior and exterior spaces. AX550 moving glass walls have a narrow frame profile that creates a stylish and modern look. They come in a variety of sizes and configurations, allowing for a multitude of customizable options to fit any project or home. Available in 3 operating styles, stacking, pocket, and bifold, you can create an expansive entrance that opens and closes with ease. Choose between 4 matching exterior and interior frame color options: dark bronze anodized, clear anodized, white, or tan. Now let's get started. This video is intended to show common steps required to install Milgard AX550 multi-slide stacking doors. Every install is unique and may require different or additional steps not shown. Responsibility for the product installation rests with the owner, architect, and installer. Please refer to the installation manual before beginning for safety and handling recommendations, as well as applicable warranties. Your AX550 multi-slide door will arrive as multiple components. Before installation, utilize the packaging labels to ensure you have the correct door and number of boxes. The panel labels will also provide you with a guide in which order to install them later on. It is critical that the rough opening is square, level, and plumb. Prior to beginning installation, check the rough opening and make any necessary adjustments. Failure to do so may result in difficult installation and/or poor operation. In this video, we are not showing the integration of this door into the weather-resistant barrier for the opening. AX550 must have an appropriate WRB system. We recommend utilizing a wet coat weather barrier system. Please consult with an expert prior to installation to ensure your system is appropriate for your specific installation. For this install, we are going to assemble the frame outside of the rough opening first, and then install the entire frame as one unit. In some instances, it may be appropriate to install each component separately directly into the rough opening. First, gather all the frame components and lay them on the ground in the orientation they will ultimately be installed in. The interior portion of each frame component should be face down on the floor. If your door came with the optional flashing fin or sill ramp, please refer to the instruction manual for proper installation of these features before proceeding. Align the left jamb with the head. Align the screw holes with the corresponding assembly plate holes. Screw together using number 8 by 1 inch screws from the inside to the outside. Repeat this step with the right jamb and then the sill. At this point, you have a fully assembled frame. Dry fit the assembled frame into the rough opening and make any required adjustments prior to proceeding. After confirming fit, lay the frame down, ensuring access to the bottom of the sill. Apply sealant along the entire sill, ensuring not to close off the 3 weep hole slots. Standing the frame back into the opening. Square and plumb the frame using shims where needed. Using 8A by 2.5 inch Phillips panhead screws, attach the head through the pre-drilled holes. Once the head is attached, use the same screws to secure both jambs through the pre-drilled holes. Prior to screwing down the sill, apply silicone in each pre-drilled hole and then add screws. This will help ensure the screw hole is sealed as it passes through the sill pan. Locate the lock panel, which will have the mortise on it. This will be the first panel to install. From the exterior of the building, with the glazing stops on the panel to the exterior, lean the top of the panel into the innermost track of the head and then lower it into the corresponding sill track. Remove the bottom hole plug on each stile. Using a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, adjust the panel through the lower hole on each stile so that the rollers achieve a light contact of the end sweep to the top surface of the sill. Working from the innermost track to the outermost track, install and adjust intermediate panels just as you have with a lock panel. The last panel to install is the fixed panel, which will go into the outermost track. Install this panel just as the other panels. Once installed, slide this panel completely into the outermost pocket of the fixed panel jamb. Adjust the panel in the same way as all the other panels. Once all the panels are adjusted to height, put all panels in the closed position. Install the handle according to instructions included in the handle box. Once the handle is installed, move the strike up or down until it is aligned with the lock. Once the adjustments have been made, replace the small screws with number 10 by 2.5 inch screws. Open the lock and adjust the lock in and out by the center screw to ensure proper engagement. With the panels closed and the locking panel locked, ensure all panels are fully engaged. Make final adjustments with rollers to ensure the reveal is even across all panels. Install foam plugs into the head. Locate the L-clip in the hardware box. Place the L-clip so that one face contacts the fixed panel and the top of the stile, and the other face of the L-clip contacts the head track. Mark and pre-drill the screw holes with a 9/32 drill bit. Use 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch screws and attach the L-clip. Using one more number 8 by 3/4 inch screw, install the screw through the head frame track into the fixed panel. Depending on options and customer choices, you may choose to install an angle bumper and collector plates. Please refer to the installation instructions for proper placement. Install dust plugs over the roller track, in the sill, and at the end of each intermediate fixed panel. Then place sill bumpers into each sill channel at the fixed jamb for each intermediate panel and the locking panel. Then place sill bumpers into each sill channel at the fixed jamb for each intermediate panel and the locking panel. Replace all hole plugs into the adjustment holes. Jamb and sill covers will have a protective liner on them during shipment. Remove the liner prior to installation. Place a jamb cover into each jamb track, tapping into place with a rubber mallet. Note that the lock panel jamb will not have a cover. The sill covers will each be different length. Working from the exterior to the interior, the longest sill cover will go on the outermost track. The shortest will go on the track prior to the locking panel. Place the cover into the groove and tap into place using a rubber mallet. Your multi-slide door is now ready for use. Once you have completed the installation, your patio doors are ready to go. Strong, beautiful, long-lasting, and durable. The Milgard AX550 moving glass walls.